how wealthy I am. I believe that in confidence that we become to face challenges in life. This helps me to become a better version of me to truly live my life. Thank you for your belief and encouragement. Believing in is an honor I will cherish forever. I hope my journey inspired you as much as it inspired me. The friendship, the memories, and the learning I will cherish it all with me. With a heart full of gratitude, I say farewell and to my beloved family, beloved parents, all these, all my friends, and my beloved Good evening, everyone. It has been almost 8 years since I was from where I started Newport Elementary School, a kid who was then wondering what it truly meant to learn about. At first, I thought it was all about the title, the crown, and the sash. But over time, I realized that it is a privilege to be a role model, a student who is humble, kind, and ready to inspire others, especially every student here at Newport Elementary School. This journey was not my alone. Thank you to my Mama Ethel and Papa Ethel for their love and countless sacrifices. Without them, I would not be here today. To our principal, Ma'am Lorena Sulan, and to my advisor, Ma'am Anneli Cornelius, I am truly and forever grateful for your support, guidance, and all the lessons you have shared with me. To the next Mr. Newport Elementary School, I wish you the best of luck. Always be an inspiration and a good example to everyone to like March.